So this video is about swap mechanism. Three things that I'm going to talk about are exchange rate, pricing, price impact. So first, the exchange rate. In order to talk about the exchange rate, we need to know that swap system works in the constant function. So the constant function is x times y equals k, which is constant number, right? Okay. And the exchange rate is simply x over y or y over x. Okay. Let's uh, have an example to explain this. So let's say pool A is made of uh, 2 ether plus number of die. So let's say 1 ether current rate is 2,800 US dollar. So someone sees this and pulls ether and die together. So he puts 2 ether plus 5,600 die, because DAI is basically US dollar, right? Okay, so what's the rate? So rate is 2 ether divided by 5,600 DAI, or 5,600 DAI divided by 2. And if you compute this, this is basically 2,800 DAI over ether. So the rate is this. Or if you just um, compute this, you can also have 1 ether over 2,800 die, and they could have like some decimals. I'll just skip this one because it's basically the same. And so this is number one. We had the computation of exchange rate, and let's figure out how pricing works in the swap system. So, okay, so pool A has 2 ether plus 5,600 die. This is actually a very small pool, okay? And we're gonna compare the small pool with the large pool and how the price impact actually differ by the uh, I guess the how large the pool is. Okay. Uh, so okay, constant function here. X times y equals k. So x we have 2 ether times 5,600 die equals, that is 1 2, right? Okay, so person I guess B wants he wants to exchanges 0.5 ether to B number of die. Okay, so he's putting 0.5 ether to the pool A here. So 2.5 ether exists in the pool right now. Uh, exists in the pool because he added 0.5 to the 2 ether and multiplied by 5600 die minus B number of die because B number of die goes to the person B because he is exchanging 0.5 ether with die. So now you have this is the same. So now you have this uh, this formula here. Let's calculate this. So 11200 2.5 5600 minus B. So this gives you 4480. Okay, so what is B? B is basically 5600 minus 4480 is 1120. Okay, so B is 1120. And we know this is not fair because we know that in the pool we have 2 ether and 5600 die, and we know the rate of ETH and die is 2800 die per ether, right here. So supposedly you should have 0.5 ether to 14 die because you divide 2800 by 2, right? Because 1 ether is 2000, 1 ether is 2800 die, right? So 0.5 ether is 1400 die. So supposedly you should have this, but now you're having 1120, and this is the price impact. Okay, number 3, price impact. In terms of a percentage, for the pool, it's the pool A. Okay, so the exchange rate tells me that I should actually get 1400 die with the 0.5 ether, and now you're actually getting 1120 die, and you divide this by 1400 die, multiply by 100. So if you compute this 280 die difference, right? Okay, so let me calculate this. So you have 20% of price impact, and you're losing 20% by swapping 0.5 ether to die in this pool A, right? This is pool A, right? So how about if we have a larger pool? Okay, let's say pool C. So it's consists of 100 ether plus 0, 0, 280,000 die. Okay, so constant function 100 is times 280 die 280 10. Okay. Mm, 28 million. Okay. So person, same person. Uh, okay. Actually, different person. Let's put D. Wants to exchange same amount, 0.5 is to die. The number of die. Okay. So he puts to the pool 0.5 ether times 280,000 minus D equals to 28 million. Okay. So let's compute this. So if you compute this, you get 278,607. So the D here you have 1393 die. Okay. So we know the exchange rate is 0. For 0.5 is 1400 die. If you compare this to this, it's very quite close. So it's quite fair pricing. It's fair. So let's compute price impact. In terms of a percentage, so the rate here we know is a 1400 die minus 1393 die divided by 1400 times 100 and 7 die 1400. It gives you 0.5%. So the price impact is much smaller when you have a bigger pool. So here I would like to conclude that the larger the pool is, the smaller the price impact is. Yeah, this is basically it. So okay, thank you for watching.